Right, the market's gonna open in a few hours. It's Sunday here in Trinidad. It's actually 28 minutes past 12 here, the 9/32, 2025. So what you're viewing here is a Bitcoin trade, right? I still gonna try the crypto markets because the crypto market's different from the forex. The crypto don't sleep. You understand? They just run Sunday to Sunday. So I jump in a BTC idea and I still gonna try to get in a buy trade, right? So this trade was actually called what you did. Well, I wouldn't trade it exactly, but I call this trade idea on Saturday. You know, this I tell the people to just observe the trade, right? But I took the trade. I took the trade. So I want to show you what happened here and how it's important to take your training. You know, we're doing it 2 weeks training maximum, and we're gonna cover a lot, guys. A lot of people are asking about it. And in a nutshell, we're gonna cover like introduction to forex, leveraging forex, dealing with Binance, the brokerage account, the prop firm. Plenty people questions are how am I getting money out of the financial markets. For the broker guys, you get funded with USDT TRC20, and that's a withdrawal method to your Binance account. If you're doing USDT, it's an easy crypto token to sell in Trinidad to get TT. That's selling like rain all over in Trinidad. You go on Facebook, there's a couple groups you could advertise. It's a bit risky, but a lot of people buy it. I myself have a little circle I work with. A team of people that always buy and sell the USDT. But most of the time they just be sold out, right? So the options are there. A lot of people was concerned about how to sell in the USDT or again TT, guys. In 2025 a lot of things is happening, and this is a potential way someone could step into the market and try to be profitable, right? So I make $17 there. The account size, don't think to yourself you could come in small and make a set of money. You had to put out money to make money in this market. Why? Because you had to take some blows. When I try to train it, when I'm in blows, I take some licks. If a stop loss it, you must be able to come back in the market and try and do a next idea, right? You don't do revenge trading. Again, the training, guys, the training. I'm just gonna discover some key points here in the training. Day one, we're gonna talk about introduction to forex, how the markets work, right? Size of the scope of the market, currency pairs, basically different types of pairs, cross, major, exotic, minor pairs. We're going to talk a lot about the risk in terms of leverages in trading forex, right? Day two, we're going to go straight to the charts. I'm going to get straight to the point. It's a crash course you're coming into, and you're going to learn about using the measure tool to calculate your pips. You're going to learn the price, where the currency pair is at. You're going to learn about base and quote within the currency pair. A lot of information, guys, right? So day two is really exciting because I go straight to the charts and we try to work with the charts. The whole idea again is to get people to take the copy and paste signal, where you could simply just paste your trade ideas that we send out and leave it, right? You leave it. I did a lot of videos on the past about the copy and paste program. You would even see a pinned video on TikTok, and you could view like a week results there, right? So really exciting, guys. A lot of people sit down in classes with zooms and thing, and because of the scope of people, one person mightn't understand what the other person do. I am doing currently one-on-one session. If you're interested, just reach out to me. It's a really exciting crash course, and it will teach you a lot. It will get straight to the point, understanding stop loss, take profits, if it's the trade is valid, the price of the trade, different order types, all these things like that. And most importantly, hooking you up with your exchange wallet, your digital wallet to store your crypto so you could sell it, or you could even buy it at the exchange as well. And you're funding straight to your broker, trading, time to withdraw back to the exchange and sell for TT, right? If you want to do the prop firm, guys, where things get very interesting, you leverage on a big account, right? They come like you're paying 300 USD for $50,000 to trade with a prop firm. So that is a long-term option there. A good a good way to approach the copy and paste is basically excuse me there. It's basically taking a prop firm for the copy and paste signals, right? Because that is long term. And trust me, the prop firm real nice. It have a lot of benefits to the prop firm. So let me talk about the BTC. It's Saturday. I got involved with the BTC. I sent some information to the WhatsApp group. You can see 8:04 a.m. I'm gonna show you what happened and why it is important to bring your stop loss. I'm using some trading terminology now to your break even point, right? Or entry point. Really important here. So overall, then we talk about how much we secured here. That's 80 pips on oil. If I had traded at 0.10, that would have been $40 on a trade at $80 profits here, USDT, right? So to calculate that in Trinidad dollars, that's times it by a little 8.1 or 8.5, 80 by 8.5, and you'll get your output of the TT Woods, right? Really cool stuff there. So you see two other trade ideas here hit us red. That is like the stop loss, right? But I didn't lose any money in the trade. So let me look at the idea here now. We're looking at the Bitcoin. Bitcoin don't sleep, guys. Bitcoin don't sleep. So I got in officially at this area right here. My first TP was about this level here. The markets went up. I wouldn't lie. It went up to about 80 pips something in my favor. But because I'm a trading idea, I left it. I didn't take off the trade at that point, right? So that's 8 o'clock Saturday morning, and this trade run, up and down. They call it consolidation, right? Support, resistance, right? Resistance, support. Or listen, you can make some money there for person who wanna go in short. They cut the trade, based on a short-term sell. You make some money, buy again, sell, buy. You understand? But again, guys, consistency is the key in trading the financial markets, right? Copy and paste program. People who seen the results there, that are traders out there trading for weeks, you understand, and they can't really hold their account consistently. I show you every week results coming out of the copy and paste program, right? It's a risk you would have to take as well, right? So what will happen here? When I log in about 10 o'clock in the night and I see this thing in a little profit here, I say, see this way, I call it, I took off the two signals, I take my little 40 pips and I call it a day. I say for the next two position, I'll bring my stop loss, which was about this area here, or about here, I bring it to the entry point, right? So I say, well, I'm going on sleep. And even people just get tired, but you're going on sleep, and sometimes a man might say, boy, are you going to remove my stop loss and let this market breathe? It might go in my favor eventually, right? The market, by most of the time, based on my experience, let me just show you this here, right? Let me just show you this here. Let me just zoom down. I joined iMarkets Live back in 2019, and I pay a lot of money, you understand? Get involved with all the products of the company, the school. It taught me a lot. I'm really thankful for iMarkets Live foundational level, but the consistency with trading was very difficult. You understand? I spent a lot of money. This year is called high frequency trading, and you could lose your money quickly trading high frequency real fast. You understand? And I was doing well. I was doing real well. Again, the consistency was not there, and that's just to show you now. I'm not really boasting there. I just have my little experience. And I bought all the products at the school, you understand? So there are lots of money. And then you have subscription fees to people who know about our school. Most of the school you have subscription fee that is like you're bad and it's push you to market, you understand, to make money, and they don't have any trading results to really show. You understand? So it's a really difficult stage. One of the reasons why I'm doing the crash course of 500 TT. I'm not sure how long I gotta have that option available. Even the one-on-one session, because a lot of people messaging, and eventually I'll have to do a group session, right? So take advantage of it. You could always reach out to me. So back to the BTC trade here. If you didn't put a stop loss, or you did not adjust your stop loss when I go to sleep, right, you would have been a loss. You understand? Because Again, it's based on how many pips you put as a stop loss, whether it be 80, 90, 100 pip stop loss. So let me just use this as an example. If I had put 100 pip stop loss on the two ideas that I see cut off red here, I would have actually been a losing state at this trade. Why? Because my loss is more than my gain. My gain was only 40 pips and my loss is 100 pips. I would have been a minus 60 pip loss there, right, on each idea. All right, so really important to move your stop loss to break even, right? And this market start to melt. So let me go back to the chart here, right, just to show you what happened here. The market now come back, it come back to the entry, but when it come back, so the market started dive down, and I the risk too, because remember global news. Again, the training, I'll tell you guys, I'm sure you all are about the NFP and the red foolers and all these different things as well. Affects all the markets, you understand? And major organizations like, banks, hedge funds, big organization, insurance, the presidents of countries, all these things have influence in the market to move it, right? So something negative maybe happen there and the market start to sink in our BTC. Men who buy now without a stop loss crying right now because our account could be in a very negative state, especially the trading on a high lot size, right? When I mean like a 1.00 or 1.50, that real loss you talking about it. And that one of the reason it come in the market small and it try to take a hit if you could and come back again. You don't come in heavy and then come back small, right? Trading psychology as well, all that in the training too. So really cool stuff here, guys, with the Bitcoin. As you can see, I pointed out to you really powerful stuff. If you're interested, the Signal service is $500 for 2 weeks. Introductory price. I call in all traders to try out the copy and paste program and let me get your feedback on it for 2 weeks. You understand? 2 weeks of the copy and paste. Let me know what you think about it. Trading consistently. Alright? So guys, thanks for your time and let me know what you all think about the training opportunity and the cost of into consideration, because it's 500 TT. You understand? When I started to do my thing in school, I had to pay a subscription about 250 to 300 USD, right? And credit card to join our school. I given you all the option 500 TT. I'll be looking at 2 weeks maximum. It'll be categorized in 1 hour sessions, Zoom calls, and it'll be labeled as days, day 1, day 2, day 3, and all this stuff like that, right? So reach out to me for some more information.